अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का टॉपिक है लैंड एंड पीपल ऑफ पाकिस्तान, ज्योग्राफी, सोसाइटी, कल्चर, नेचुरल सोर्सेज, एग्रीकल्चर, इंडस्ट्री एंड एजुकेशन। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आप इससे पहली वीडियो जो है मुस्लिम रोल इन सब कॉन्टिनेंट एंड इट्स डाउनफॉल, वो उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, आप उसे देख सकते हैं फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। आपको सीरीज़ वाइज देखेंगे तो हिस्ट्री की बेहतर समझ आती है। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। पाकिस्तान इज़ अ कंट्री लोकेटेड इन साउथ एशिया, bordered by India to the east and Afghanistan and Iran to the west, China to the north, and the Arabian Sea to the south. Here is a brief overview of the land, people, and key features of Pakistan. First one is geography. Pakistan is a diverse country with a varied landscape, including mountain ranges, plains, deserts, and coastal areas. The country is a home to several significant rivers, including the Indus River, which is the country's longest and most important waterway. Pakistan's longest, Pakistan's highest peak is K2, which is the part of the Karakoram mountain range and is one of the highest peaks in the world. Society and culture. Pakistan is a multicultural country with a population of over 22 million people. The majority of the population is Muslim, but there are also significant minority communities, including Christians, Hindus, and Sikhs. Urdu is a national language, but there are also several regional languages spoken throughout the country. Pakistani culture is rich and diverse, with a blend of traditional and modern influences. The country is known for its music, art, and cuisine, with popular dishes including the biryani, kebabs, and curry. Natural resources. Pakistan has significant natural resources including coal, oil, natural gas, and minerals such as copper, gold, and iron. The country also has a rich agricultural sector, with crops such as wheat, rice, and cotton being important exports. Then agriculture. Agriculture is a significant sector of the Pakistani economy, employing over 40% of the workforce and contributing around 25% of country's GDP. The country is a major producer of wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, and fruits such as mangoes and oranges. Industry. Pakistan has a growing industrial sector, with industries such as textiles, cement, and chemicals being major contributors to the economy. The country has also seen growth in the industries such as IT and telecommunications, which have helped to diversify the economy and create new opportunities for employment. Education. Education is a key priority for the Pakistani government, with efforts being made to improve access to education and increase literacy rates. However, the country still faces significant challenges in this area, with issues such as gender disparities, limited access to quality education in rural areas, and a lack of resources for schools and teachers. In summary, Pakistan is a diverse and complex country with a rich culture, abundant natural resources, and a growing economy. However, the country also faces significant challenges, including security threats, poverty, and inequality, which will require sustained efforts to overcome. नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे पाकिस्तान एंड द चेंजिंग रीजनल सिनेरियो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।